Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well and may your all desires and wishes comes true. So let's move to our video. As you can see guys, today in this video I'm going to show you some beautiful crochet baby blankets patterns, and these patterns and blankets are really popular and trending in nowadays, both in western and eastern countries, due to their elegant, stylish and color scheme. So like you can customize it for your own baby, and if you're selling the products related to baby crochet things, you can sell it to your customers and take orders, and it will give you a lot of sales. Like crocheted baby blankets are designed to provide warmth and comfort to newborns and infants. The soft and cozy texture of the blankets help keep the baby snug and protected from cold temperature, and it can be also thoughtful and meaningful gifts. They can be customized with different colors, patterns and designed to suit the baby's nursery theme or personal preferences by using the different color schemes and different patterns like circle patterns, flower shape patterns and granny square patterns and some simple patterns. It's all up to you guys how you design it and how you customize it. And they are often becomes family heirlooms. They can be passed down from one generation to another, carrying the memories and love of previous family members. Like it is a long-term investment, and these are the very eco-friendly, like you contribute to sustainable practices, and these items reduces the reliance or mass produced products, promoting a more eco-friendly approach to baby care. Watch the complete video and do let me know your favorite crochet baby blanket patterns from this video, and also recommend me guys your taste and interest in crochets, which type of videos you guys want to see. And yeah, that's all. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and don't forget to comment on the video. Thank you.